Okay, so what we're doing here is we're trying to remove the flywheel of this dr650, and the previous owner had this nut far too tightened, so we couldn't get it off. So the solution we found is to put some anti-slip rubber on top of the flywheel. We have then screwed in a bolt on this engine mount bolt, and then we are attaching just a standard wrap,
tie down
strap, to this bolt, which will self-tighten around the flywheel as the nut is tightened.
So basically, yeah. So if we would just try to untighten the bolt, the whole engine would just move. And Suzuki has a tool, and it's like $140. So this is our $2 flywheel bolt remover.
And we tried using the rear wheel, locking the brake on the rear wheel, but right now the brake is removed. And we didn't want to damage the whole shifting mechanism and chain and stress it unnecessarily. So what we're doing now is just holding tight to this. It will also self-lock. And yeah, we're trying to get the rubber maybe underneath the tightening mechanism so as not to scratch the flywheel. Right, like that. In the beginning it will slide a bit until the strap is tightened. It should tighten.
It worked the first time, I can guarantee it.
Maybe I didn't get it tight enough from the start. Like that. And then you can just put an extension on here and wrap it round. But now we've already loosened it. And that's how you get the flywheel off the dr650.